What's up, everybody? P Double's back on a Saturday. What is it? Saturday night already. NFL playoff kickoff weekend. We just filled 7-box mixer. Should be some fun right up in there. We still got 10 left in the grande. Anybody wants in the mix? Jump on in. Shake it up. Nukem. Nukem, did you see? You got a hit last night. I think you left before we did the randomizing. But you hit those 250 points. So Mojo Troll told me to tell you something. You got a hit. You got a hit. That's what he. I didn't say it. He said it. All right. I'm going to roll the dice, and then we'll go through the list of all the participants. We'll see where we at. Oh, almost the distance. This one's going to 11. 11. Ooh, yeah. That was a special, Jacob. So no. Ooh, no. 11 times. Lucky Black, shake it up. What's shaking, Rick? Is that what you're reading into that? That's funny. All right, let's start from the top of the list. Please pay close attention to the list. Make sure I've got you in here. If you're supposed to be in, I sometimes do overlook a spot that comes in through the e-crater sometimes. So please pay close attention that I've got you in here where you belong if I got you in here enough times. Here we go. Jay Weebel, Pets Fan, JG. And then we've got D. Murray, Cajun Lou Bob, FMF Core Man, Jacob Monster. They join this break in a very special way. Tennessee Fan. And then we've got Peter Griffin, Tennessee Fan, Jay Weebel, and FMF Core Man. They join this break in a very special way. Ramo, JB with 2, Ace Hobby with 2, and then we got Bri Peralt, Indy Luck, and Mac 225. They join this break in a very special way. Joaquin, Paducah, Browns Fan, Tommy Golf, Superstar, Steve, Doug, and V. Guzman. Last spot, Mojo. I'm going to come back to chat. Everybody cool? Everybody see the name on there? With the GTG. Going 11 times. That's fair and square in his book. Alright, I'm not seeing any discrepancies. We still got 10 left in the grande, y'all. 10 left. Alright, we got some focus on there. Alright. We're going 11 times. Good luck, everybody. Appreciate y'all jumping in. Thank you so much. Here we go. 1. JG up top. Joaquin down below. 2. 3. 4. 5. Yep, FMF, you got 2. You got your 2. 6. 7. 8. 9. Was that a 9er? 10. 11th and final time. Good luck, everybody. Thank you all for jumping in this one. I hope it produces cray. Here we go. PC Love and Mojo 11 times. Jay Weebel up top. Indie Luck down below 11 times. There is the list. If this is your first time breaking with me, we do the names first. I'll do the teams next. So kind of jot down your number. You can see the teams before I even read through them. But I'm leaving that there. Get your number, and then we do the teams. But if you miss any of it, I roll through them all, and then I print it up and leave it on screen for a minute until we break. So. And again, first time Mojo. It's real. It's a real thing. Bold 14. To the teams. All right. There's all 2014 stuff. So we got 4 combo teams. Cardinals, Ravens, Falcons, Cowboys, Broncos, Chargers, and Colts, Redskins. Everything is in alphabetical order all the way down to the Titans, since the Redskins are a combo. Here we go, 11 times. Let's do it. 1. The Bears up top. Titans down below. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. That was a 9er. 10. 11th and final time. Good luck, everybody. PC, love, and Mojo 11 times. Seahawks up top. Scroll in. The Raiders down below 11 times. 11 times. There they are. Yes. There you go. All right, let me copy and paste. We'll run through everybody's teams. Beast. Wow. Paducah, I told you. So Paducah, yeah. Even if you go hitless, you still, I think, in most people's opinions, you got the best team of the break. Jay Weebeld, Seahawks, Pats fan, the Browns, FMF, the Bengals, Tommy Golf, the Steelers, Indy Luck, the Rams, FMF, the Bears, Paducah, the G-Men, V. Guzman, the Lions, JB, the Jets, Jacob Monster, Panthers, Doug, the Chiefs, Tennessee fan, the Vikings, Jay Weebeld, D. Murray with the Falcons, Cowboys, Jay Weebeld, 3 breaks in a row now with the Niners. Browns fan, the Eagles. Joaquin with the Jaguars. JG Bucks, Tennessee fan, Colts, Redskins. Cajun Lou Bob, he always gets the Packers. Peter Griffin, Patriots. Steve, Cardinals, Ravens. Bri Peralt, the Saints. Ramo, Broncos, Chargers. Ace Hobby, the Bills. JB, the Dolphins. Mac with the Titans. Ace Hobby, Texans. Indy Luck, the Raiders. All right, let me print that up. Trade away. Trade away. You got plenty of time to trade. I step away, take a little break while you guys work out your transactions. Then I come back. Y'all let me know what has been confirmed. We got 10 left. Yes, 10 left in the Grande. Y'all make sure you hammer that while we're ripping this, so that we can get into that one very quickly after this one's done. Would be awesome. Old Kevlin Benjamin. Straighten that out. right, tilt it that way, pan to the left. Let's go rotate right, focus there. All right, y'all, trade away, trade away. Good luck, good luck. All this trash. Burgers. I need another Mountain Dew. That's the show. No trades, huh? Wow. Very interesting. I'll show you yesterday's mixer. This was yesterday's mixer. There were lots of trades. No trades, huh? Anything confirmed? Anything confirmed? I'm seeing nothing confirmation. We get another round of those. We need 120s. 120s. Oh, the top load is ready. You got plenty of time, guys. Dude. I'll never shortchange you guys trying to get the team you want in the break for sure, unless it's just an absurd amount of time. But yeah, we good to go. Peter Griffin got the Patriots. He doesn't have audio. As far as I know. All right, 10 left in the Grande. Woo! Can't wait to see what's in the flawless. Might get to the point. I might take a spot in the Grande today. I might take a spot in the Grande today. Lions for Cardinals Ravens. Oh, I'm gonna say it's so, D. Murray. I haven't been in a Grande in about 3 weeks. I wouldn't mind. It be. It be so. This shiny 50-cent piece will have your name all over it. Be all yours. It's all about the beautiful babies. Tommy Golf to single digis. Single digis. I'm gonna match you, Tommy. That'll put us. Let's put us down to 8 left. 8 left in the Grande. P doubles is gonna jump in. Thank you, Tommy. Attaboy. What's shaking, Lance? You got it, brother. Hey, good luck, man. I know some people crap on bingo. I ain't opposed. I ain't opposed. That's straight cash, homie. I don't care what company you're in. So do it up at the bingo parlor.
Did we text the sticks ounce for us to text in the future?
Not in this. The Grande. Yeah, I've got 3 people I got to text for the Grande when we get there. All right. All right. So Steve and Indy, just write it out in the chat. This team for this team confirmed, and I'll make the change. Yep. We wanted to let them have enough time to work out their deal, and they have completed the deal. If Indy and Steve could let me know what the trade is so that I can relay it to the fine participants of the break. Lions for Ravens cards. Lions, Ravens cards. All right. Doug! Woo-hoo! Yeah, come on. No, it's not. Lions is V. Guzman. Come on. If we're going to trade, we got to make trades that people have. V. Guzman has the Lions. The list has been on the screen for how long? V. Guzman has the Lions. You have the Cardinals, Ravens. So is there a trade? Rams for Ravens cards. Got it. It's all good. We all make mistakes, guys. It happens. Y'all watch me on a daily basis. I am far from perfect, y'all. But definitely like to know if you're going to trade. Make sure you're trading the teams you own. All right. This is the one trade we got. We got Indy Luck now owns the Ravens Cardinals. And Steve, 1969, now owns the Rams. Oh, that is a shot. You kiss your mother with that mouth, Pat? Good Lord. Postman! I got your package today, man. Too cool. Thank you so much, Sean. Not necessary. I showed it off to the room, man. Very, very cool. Alright. Let's get up into some scrata. What do you say? Let's get a rivet. Rivet. A rivet. I think that last one is the big one right there. So we'll go this way. Good luck, everybody. We have to do it again. We'll do. Well, looks like we're down to 7. We're down to 7, I believe, in the Grande, if my count is right. Wow, we've got the clear cut already. And it's numbered 37 of 50. Good luck. For the Texans. Look at that. 37 of 50. AF. Oh, no. Yeah, I don't know what that would spell. Or AE? I don't know. For the Texans. Right out of the gate. First pack. Ace Hobby. Nice hit. a pretty card. It is. That is a very pretty card. Confirmed. Thank you, Steve. Thank you, Indy. Boy, was I wrong on that last pack, huh? Seeing that? Nick Foles, gold. Card. Andy Dalton, die cut. David Fales, gold. Matt Ryan, gold card. Best quarterback on the planet. Special card right there. Beautiful. One stuck. We got, yeah, two Brian Hoyers stuck together. AJ Green, die cuts. $147. I don't have you in. Again. I did. I had you in the special. I didn't get you in for the full. How did I fuck that up? Again. I've got you for your 3 in the grande. I'm the worst. I'll jump in and get it. Oh, man. Kevin Norwood, gold. F and A. Let's see. I suck. I sucked these past 2 days really bad. Monty Ball, one color relic. Monty Ball for the Broncos. Yeah, I'll check. I'll check if you want to check too. I'm sure I have to. I wouldn't put it past me. Jason Pierre-Paul, gold. But I want to say that I think I remember saying something about it. But usually when I say it, I'm writing it. Jake Locker, die cut. We still need an autograph. We still need an autograph. Marquise Lee, gold. This is super thick. We might have gotten 2. We might have gotten a shadow box too. We might have gotten the clear cut and some. This thing is huge. Yep. We sure did. Wow, we got the freaking Rivet card, son! The Rivet! We pulled the Rivet. And it's a badass Rivet card. 4 of 5 for the Raiders. Derek Carr. Rivet card. Swivels on the hinge. Bang. Suck on that. What indie luck. Shake it up, man. Oh, those are ridiculous. Ridiculous Rivet card, man. Holy hell. Dang. Woo. That's a card and a half right there. You can see it's a little, whatever they got going on there. It looks cloudy, but. Woo! Wowzer. That thing is huge. That is huge, yo. Yeah, that won't even fit in there. Let me get a slider box for that real quick. Andy Luck, congrats, man. Mm. 4 or 5. You know what that is? That's his jersey number. Yep, Paducah, you got it. I just realized it. Holy F. Freaking jersey number 2. My word. My word. Yep. You can grab spots in the store for the grande. Should be able to. Yeah, those things are funky like a monkey. Wow, Strata producing for us, y'all. Good stuff. And that wasn't the only clear cut in there. We got a freaking kick-ass. That's the way we need to do it. Tom Savage. Who's ready for some jumbos? Haven't done Prism Jumbo in a minute. They be Jumbo. Yeah, that was a that's one of the best strata boxes I've ever seen. Holy hell. I don't know what that means. Text message. I don't even know what it means. Right, good luck. Ooh, yay, points already. Whee, Blake Bortles. I think that's a variation. Well, we do have 400 points coming, though. Blake Bortles, red and yellow. Toby Gearhart. Let's turn that over. 400 points, going to be randomized to the group. Could have been worse. Toby Gearhart, not numbered. But that is the breast cancer awareness variation, or parallel. Damn, I'm still stunned by the rivet. Like, all you want to pull out of Strata are rivets, man. We freaking pulled one. Hell to the yeah. Hail to the yeah. I'm Caleb. I'm in the middle of a break. It's hard for me to update my screen right now. I'm sorry. Isaiah Crowell, and we got an autograph. That's digital camo. And Cyril Richardson, not numbered on the camo. Crowell, 009 of 150. 009 of 150 for the Bills. Cyril Richardson. Going to Ace Hobby. We're knocking out all of our hits in the first 2 packs. Teddy B, Taj Boyd, Nicholas, Johnny Manziel, Class Ring, Believe the Hype, Jadavion. Tevin, Logan, D. Ford, Gio Bernard, Fresh Faces, Jordan Cameron, Camo, Darqueze Denard. That's the Bengals blue version. 19 of 50. Darqueze, 19 of 50 for the Bengals. FMF. Jimmy Garoppolo, red and yellow. And DeMarcus Ware, red X Factor, number to 125. 44 of 125 for the Broncos. Another autograph for the Jaguars. Pink, breast cancer awareness. Allen Robinson. For the Jaguars. Joaquin, 101 and 150. 101 of 150. Felt good to say your name, Joaquin. Not a bad Allen Robinson. All on sticker. You can actually see kind of an A and an R resemblance. Hands team AJ Green. Larry Fitz Prism, Marcus Colston, BCA. All the parallel ship, just not veteran base. And rookies and parallels. Oh wow, that one snuck up on me. Camo, digital camo for the Packers, Jared Dabradaris. To Packers. Occasionally Bob, 67 of 200. Digital camo, Jared Dabradaris. It's good to be called. And right behind that is a Blake Bortles, BCA. You see that was a different picture in that red and yellow one. So yeah, the red and yellow was the variation. Photo variation. I don't think we're due any more autographs at this point. We got the 400 points and 3 live autos. Maybe they'll squeeze another one in for us. Believe the Hype, Jeremy Hill, Paul Richardson, red NFL Shield. That's 43 of 75. Paul Rich. The Seahawks. Jay Weebeld. Still all tingly from that Derek Carr rivet. Russell Wilson, red and yellow. Jeez. Carlos Hyde, McKinnon, Jason Witten Prism, Troy Nicholas Prism. Like I said, we're not due anymore. Maybe they'll squeeze a little something in for us. Maybe. Greatest of all time. James Laurinaitis. Oh, okay. That's for the Rams. That's the first time I've seen that one for the Rams because the color's all left up. Never seen that one before. I thought it was numbered or something, but no, it's just funky. It's just funky looking. All right, let's get up into some T-cert. Cross your fingers. This is our last box of T-cert in-house. At least some marination station been going on. Get some good dip. Arian Foster, Emmett Smith, a red Jason Morrow, numbered 25 of 25. Oh my lord, eBay 101 for the JETS. Very nice. For JB, we got Tevin Reese, and we're going this way. Good luck. For the Bucks, Austin Safarian Jenkins, RPA. Going to JG. On the board. Jace. All right. Let's get some cray going. Some marination cray. Wes Welker, Dan Marino, Barry Sanders, Shaq Evans, and for the Chiefs, Justin Houston. A little dirt on there, I think. Maybe not. A little dirty patch, dirty jersey. Not numbered. Going to the Chiefs and Doug, 24-48. Former UGA boy, Justin Houston. Got a dummy card. What does that mean? That means we got a 6 of 25 coming. That means we got a 6 of 25 coming. Good luck. Some fuzz with the Stephen Ridley. Wake up my computer. T. Rich, Aaron Rodgers, Rashid Hageman, and for the Bears, 6 of 25, blue, rookie penmanship, David Fales. Never fails. Going to the Bears, FMF. There you go. In your face, Cajun. That's your PC too? I knew Victor's Bears. I had that in my back of my brain somewhere. I know I did. Debo, Romo, Gio, John. Sammy Watkins. For the Bills, one color tampon. Tampon, not numbered. Right. Let's go to playbook and then we'll do limited. Shut up, Pat. That so you can see the autograph. 19 of 75 for the Seahawks. Kevin Norwood. Jay Weebell on the board. Whoop. We have our eCrater link right down below the screen. We have a $59 mixer with Flawless in it. If you're interested, we are pretty close to full on that. For the Giants, Andre Williams, numbered 168 of 199. So that was a stinky playbook box. Some of them are just ridiculous. Others, stinky. Caleb says full. Right. Okay.
How many do you have left?
I had 8 before. I think Doug said he grabbed one or something.
Okay. Okay. And then Caleb took 7.
Caleb took. Oh wow. Okay. That'll be it then. I think Caleb filled them up. Sorry, Am. We'll get them next time. Yeah, for sure. You definitely want to check out the Grande if you get a chance. But yeah, we'll have another one tomorrow for sure. First up for the Bengals, 15 of 49, one off his jersey number, Andy Dalton. T. Rich, $3.99. Eli Manning, oh my Lord, $3.99 of $3.99. I said about $3.99. eBay 101, Eli Manning for the G-Men. Go this way, Greg Robinson, 79 of 99 for the Rams. Wipe your brow. It wasn't Sam. Go. Oh, is this going to be nasty? For the Texans, limited partnerships quad. Jadeveon, Tom Savage, Andre Johnson, and Arian Foster. 48 of 50. Oh, that's right. The Greg Robinson is his jersey number. Are you guys? Okay, not frozen. All right, and we're going this way. Very nice. 23 of 35 for the Ravens. Going to Indy Luck, traded team. C.J. Mosley, 23 of 35. Yeah, I didn't even notice that Greg Robinson is his jersey number. eBay 1 of 1. Oh, my Lord. Mosley is a beast. So was Greg Robinson. He was like the number 3 overall pick or something, wasn't he? All right. Triple Throwheads. This has been a pretty kick-ass little break here so far. Still got triple threads and a mini helmet to go. Indy Luck, you are crushing the break. That's confirmed. Change it around. Let's go. Hitless teams. Let's do it. Triple threads. Here we go. 45 of 50 for the Bills. EJ Manuel. Sorry about that. For reals. Come on. To 399. CPAT. Pierre Garçon. Bebe Thomas. Andrew Luck. Go this way. Another Allen Robinson in the break. 4-color. This is the purple parallel. 42 of 70. Allen Robinson. Joaquin. And off the back. 20 of 25. Devonta Adams. 20 of 25. He's on a roll. He's on a roll, son. You know he's butter, because he's on a roll. All right. To 199, Cam. To 399, Forte, Sheldon Richardson, J.J. Watt, Matt Stafford. We'll go this way. For the Seahawks, 35 of 50, Paul Richardson, 1-color tampon. Jay Webuild. And next one is numbered 5 of 15. 5 of 18, my apologies. For the Bucks, Adrian Claiborne. 1-color, 3-color, 1-color. 5 of 18 for the Bucks. JG. Excuse me. Solid box. Solid. Still waiting for the big old triple thread boomage for show. All right. Helmet time. If it's a college helmet, it will go to the team that the player played for the longest in the NFL. This is if he's a retired player. If it's a college helmet of a current player, it'll go to his current team. So if we pull a Volunteers Peyton Manning autograph out of here, it will go to the Broncos. But if it's a Peyton Manning Colts helmet, it's going to go to the Colts. If they have no affiliation at all with the NFL, it will be randomized to the group. Also, there are redemptions in here for the Grand Treasure. I have no idea if that's been pulled yet. And upsize tickets. We pulled one of those before. Those can be the upsize can be redeemed for a random helmet. If we do happen to pull one of those, the redemption themselves would be randomized to the group, and the helmet will go to the rightful owner. Anything else? We use common sense to see who it goes to. Good luck. This is the first helmet out of a fresh case. So good luck. If you are hitless, I do hope that this one comes through for you. If not, we will definitely crank up the mojo for you next time. Alright, good luck, everybody. Jeez. Have a break, Raiders. Have a break. Fred Biletnikoff for the Raiders. Indy Luck. This kid is on a roll in my room right now. Fred Biletnikoff. Sick. All right, let's see. Extra paperwork. Extra paperwork. Come on. Extra paperwork. Nothing. No extra paper. They did give us extra paperwork. 2 of the same lame old TriStar Authentics. There he is. Hall of Fame 88. So no Grand Treasure, no upsized ticket. There you go. Congrats, Indy. Jeez. Whew. Wow. So yeah, nobody stood a chance. Nobody stood a chance this break. Good Lord. All right, don't forget we got 400 points. We got to randomize to the group. 400 points. Let's take care of that now. The original dice roll was 11 for this break. Let me get everything situated to where we can function properly. We'll get right into the grande after this. The Randall.org. Copy. Paste. Right. Here we go, 11 times. Person at the top spot after 11 spins will get 400 Panini points. Here we go. 1. Browns fan up top. Doug down below. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. Was that a niner? 10. 11th and final time. Good luck, everybody. Top spot getting 400 Panini points. Better than 150. Here we go. 11 times. D. Murray. There you go, brother. I don't remember calling you out for a hit, so there you go, man. No top 5 there. 16. Whoa! But again, it's a lot better than 150. That's for sure. Right. All right. Let me reset the broadcast. I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna introduce the grande, and then I'm gonna get to work putting the list together and getting that all set so that we don't have to reset again. So it'll be a little lengthy getting into the break when it's on video, but once it's on video, you can just fast forward. So give me about 20 seconds. Like I said, I'm going to come back and then reintroduce the grande. And I'll clear out this table. I'm going to set up the list, and we'll rock and roll. Appreciate y'all jumping in that one, and let's knock out this next grande big time. Thank you, Joaquin. Have a good night, man. I appreciate you, brother. Check that randomizer.